This is for Wakako. Hey, Waki. Look at this. Do you recognize? This actually is the kitchen. Look at this shit. You see that? This is a whole bunch of... We're trying to actually clean up the house. And I'm so glad that Go and Kyoko came. So Go is helping doing the floor. We're putting some kind of layer on the floor. Here's cat. And then this is Mama-san. So Mama-san is... Sure she was here, but then we moved her. We got rid of a bunch of furniture. Mom, this video is for Wakako. It's for Waki Waki. Say hello. Say hello to Waki. Yeah?
Hello, Wak.
Hello, Wak. That's here she is, yes. Yeah. So we're listening to music, Glenn Miller. And it's very beautiful weather. Good weather. And then you can tell it's a mess, but she's got like candy and stroopwafel. And drink water, lots of water. And then we use this to walk. Mom can walk here like this, 34 steps. And then she walks back. And then one more time. And then she walks with this walker. This is the walker we made for her. This is the walker. Anyway, so what we're doing is trying to clean up all the shit that we have. And I'm making this video for Wakako so she knows what we're doing.
Hey, Waka.
Yeah, and look, and this is the Papa's old office. And we're finding things. Look at this. Do you see that? So we're gonna keep, this is like the keep box.
This is keep box.
And then there is like the, maybe for kids or something.
No, this is
trash.
Gomi.
It's gomi.
Yeah.
Okay, and then this is,
Don't look at
this
it.
is keep. I know. This is difficult. So,
Go to throw it away.
so she is
Let me handle it.
yeah. Anyway, so that's what we're doing. And also we're gonna put in a new floor for Mom. This is all gonna be a wooden floor. It was linoleum before, but we took it out. It was very old. And then we're gonna change her bedroom anyway to make it more accessible. In the end, we'd like to have Mom come back here. But first we wanna put in a wooden floor. So that's the story. And it was very nice weather. And we miss you, obviously. Yes. We miss you a lot. Ciao.